Okay, so I'm going to attempt to do another family vlog. It is the summertime and we're going on vacation in like 19 days. So my boyfriend's been taking off from work, playing hooky here and there, so we can do things with the kids before we leave. Because then, they go back to school like not too long from now. So we're going to Ocean City, New Jersey, down the shore, and my daughter, my pretty Madeline. Anyway, we're gonna take them down to Ocean City, New Jersey today, and I will try and give you guys a glimpse of what that beach looks like. If anybody's on the East Coast, you know that the beaches over here can vary drastically. So I'm gonna show you what this beach looks like. All right, stay tuned.
Jet skis are out all crazy. Look, Dave. Like 60 of them over there. There you go. Look. They're killing it. See?
Yes, you do.
Yeah.
Dave. Dave. Look at him getting it in. There's like 60 of them.
Oh, now I can see Mary. I can see it.
Damn, look, that sucks. Look, 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 look. Uphill. Uphill.
I'm about to get off that accident.
Recording.
Not on that. Oh.
It's recording.
Pull up your paper.
We're here. and found meter parking, but they only do 2 hours on the meters. If you try to put more quarters in, it's a quarter an hour, and then if you try to put more quarters in after 2, it'll take the quarters, but it's not going to give you no more time. So keep that in mind if you guys park down here, like on street parking. This is like right off the boardwalk, so there's like a whole bunch of like hotels and places to stay. Around this time they're kind of pricey. Escape rooms. Here, didn't you say you wanted to do that?
What?
The escape room?
Oh, I did.
Oh, I definitely always did want. I wanted to do that forever. Nope, it's air conditioned.
Manco. That's where he wants to go. Remember where it's at, Dave?
What is it?
Manco.
Oh, that's where B wants to
No,
go.
they have another
Yeah.
one too. Down that way, I think. They have another one. Right down this way. There's 2. I'm into that
There they are. So this is one of few beaches where you have to pay for a $5 day pass. Here. No.
That's what I'm saying. They might not find it if you don't have it.
I already did. It is ice cold. Super cold water today. It's like 90. What's my hair? It's like 90, maybe 92. It's really cold. I can't believe how cold the water is and how hot it is outside. Whoa, the waves are coming in really strong. So the East Coast, obviously the water is yucky green, not a pretty green. And Ocean City, if you guys can hear me because of the waves, Ocean City has like a lot of seashells. I could feel them, like I don't know if you guys can see them. It's not as bad as Atlantic City, New Jersey on their sand, but it is like Atlantic City, it's like a really hard time walking on the sand because it feels like it's cutting your feet. This isn't that bad, but they still are everywhere. I'd rather be out there, and I hate boats, even though we're going on a cruise. I still rather be out there. It's probably, but then again, you know what? It's probably super hot out there. Our situation right now. And the kids ran off somewhere, so they're like out in the water. I think the water is like super cold considering how hot it is, or maybe that's why it feels so cold. because it's so hot outside right now. But yeah, so they do, what was it? Rentals for 2 chairs and an umbrella, how much? $19.
This is like 10 and these two.
The umbrella was 10 and then the chairs were 9. So this, like again, this is Ocean City, New Jersey. If you guys come out here, it is totally mobbed. And then they do the $5 day passes just to get on the beach. You pay at any entrance off the boardwalk, and the lady that gave them to us told us we have to keep them in view because they have people coming up and down the beach checking. What, the parasailing?
Yeah.
Where's the boat that's pulling them?
You want to do that?
That little boat right there. No, it's like we're just suspended in the air. You'd want to do it? We're afraid of the swings, for crying out loud. It is super packed here.
Yeah, they're super packed. I've never seen it like this.
Yeah, they're coming around to make the waves. How fast do you think it goes? That's awesome. They're super loud. Are they racing?
Yeah.
Hey guys, so it looks like I'll be cutting this vlog short. I basically just wanted to cover information for you guys, not so much like record for my family. So I just wanted just to get like the gist of Ocean City, New Jersey. The parking, if you do off-street parking, it seems like I think all the meters are 25 cents. Today's Sunday and they still require you to pay in the meter. It's 25 cents per hour. Some meters only do 2 hours at a time, so do not put no more quarters in than what that meter says because it will just keep taking quarters. There are other meters that do 4 hours. We parked 4 blocks from the boardwalk and we've been here since 11:30. We paid $1.50. We could have parked at a parking lot right at the boardwalk and paid $20, but why? You know what I mean? The other thing that I noticed, like there's a famous pizzeria down here, so we already had our mind set on going to Manco and Manco because it's a famous pizza place on the boardwalk. There's like 4 of them they have in different locations. I think it's 8th Street, 9th Street, 12th Street, and then Boardwalk Ave. For the 6 of us to eat, which really we didn't eat that much, we got 1 pepperoni pizza. We all got a soda and it was $50. But if you look at the pizzeria places coming towards the boardwalk before you enter, they have great family deals like 2 slips of pizza with a soda, not to mention you're in the air condition, for $5.50. I did see one place on the boardwalk that offered the same thing, so make sure you guys go around for what's more economical when you're taking family, because the money does add up quickly when you have multiple children. So, of course, going to the boardwalk, which I'm a beach person, so I don't mind not doing the boardwalk. It does save the money, just stay on the beach all day. That's not why I do it though. I just enjoy the ocean air and the water. Not so much the water. I'm getting used to the ocean water, but I like the beach. So, I let my boyfriend leave at one point, and he came back and he spent $20 on a big bucket of French fries and a fruit salad. So those are things like, I mean, you come to the boardwalk, obviously there's certain things that people do want, funnel cake and stuff like that, homemade lemonade, they have great stuff like that on the boardwalk. Look out for the ones that have, there are certain restaurants that have a cup you can buy, a seasonal one, flat price, and then you come back and you pay $1. So if you're gonna stay down here for a week, it's worth it. So let me just stop talking to you guys, ears off. I am sitting in the car while my family went up to the boardwalk to grab a couple things. I opted out with going with them. I have sand in my eyes, I'm sorry you guys. But I don't even know if I said it. I am burnt. I don't burn. Today was not one of the hotter days of the season up here in the northeast part of the United States, but definitely super strong sun. All of this feels like I'm baked. I don't even want to know what I'm gonna look like when I get out of the shower tonight. I'm gonna be so red. And then I got my cruise coming up, so I don't want to really burn. I'm surprised I burned because I have Indian in me, and I usually get like really dark. So they're up at the boardwalk. When they come back, we're gonna find a place to eat for dinner before we hit the traffic going back to Pennsylvania. I will show you guys that, and then I'll probably end the vlog. Anyway, was interrupted. My phone rang, and you guys know I always have a bad habit of not turning my notifications off. I was saying, keep your fingers crossed. Hopefully I'm wrong and we don't hit traffic on my back. Because these are toll roads, my boyfriend thinks that it won't back up as much, but I have seen really bad things happen on the Atlantic City Expressway when I was younger, so I really don't like that highway at all. I've seen helicopters land in the middle of the highway for like fatal accidents and near fatal accidents, so I'm just hoping everybody's driving safe home today and that we get home.